Now the lens formula. Before the lens formula is like this: 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F, where V is image distance, U is object distance, F is focal length. Clear? We'll derive it for both convex and concave lens. So for convex lens, any diagram you can pick, but I'll take a diagram. Your object is any position you can take the diagram, not a problem. Clear? So this is a convex lens first. Let us for convex lens. F1, F2, 2F1 or C1, 2F2 or C2. Suppose the object is here, any place you can take, but this is one we are taking. Diagram. Faster the focus. Second one, here the image is created. Clear? Little bigger it is appearing, it is not bigger, it is same size because object is at a here. Clear? Now this one O, this one A, this one B. Object is a B, image is A prime, B prime, inverted. Clear? This one you can take it as a D little, okay. And this is the sign. Generally, as it's a thin lens, this optical center is taken on this line middle, because this is generally we are studying about the thin lenses. Distances from here, this here to here, minus U. Clear? Image is from here to here, B. And this one is a focal length. It is focal length is this distance, positive. Clear? Here to here, from OF2 I am writing focal length OF2. Object distance is OA. Image distance, sorry, this is image distance OA prime. Image object distance OA. OA. This is F2. U is negative. U is negative. Minus U, because left side we are measuring. Now take two triangles, that is AOB and A prime O B prime. Okay. So in triangle AOB and triangle A prime O B prime. These two are angle AOB is equal to angle A prime O B prime, equal because they are vertical opposite angles. Clear? Now angle OAB is equal to angle OA prime B, that is 90 degree. This implies that triangle AOB similar to triangle A prime OB prime. Clear? This implies that AB by A prime B prime is equal to OB by OB prime, corresponding ratio in the corresponding ratio. AB by A prime B prime is equal to OB by O prime B prime. This is number 1. Clear? Now take another set of triangle, that is D, here written D, DOF, this triangle, F2, DOF2, and triangle this triangle and this triangle, DOF2 and B prime A prime F2. Understood? If you written, then I'll erase. This one you remember. Okay. Again in triangular D, this triangle DOF2, DOF2 and a triangular B prime A prime F2. Clear? Again they are similar, vertical opposite angles. So same reasons you will write. This is F2, D prime F2O, A prime F2 are vertical opposite. This is 90. This is also considered 90. Okay. So these two are again similar. I can write here, and in place of again these are similar. This implies that OD by A prime B prime is equal to OF2 by OF2 by OF2 to F2 A prime F2. Clear? Here I'll just correct it. This one, previous one, this is also okay, correct, but AB by A prime B prime is equal to OA by OA prime required, because OB is not required, this hypotenuse is not required. OA by OA prime not required to us. You can write all the three because correspond all the three ratios equal, but that is not required to us. Okay. So now OD, this OD is equal to AB or not? I am writing here, this from here to here. OD is equal to AB, can I write or not? AB is equal to OD by A prime B prime is equal to OF2 by A prime F2. Clear? Reason write down AB is equal to OD. This is equation 2. Clear? Clear? Now by erasing, I'll erase this part. So from 1 it is AB by OA by OA prime. Here AB is equal to from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What you got? AB by A prime B prime is equal to OA by OA prime. But here you got OF2 by A1 F2. So you write down from 1 and 2. OA by OA prime is equal to OF2 by A prime F2. Clear? Here is now the rest. Now see, OA is what? Prime image distance prime. This OA is U minus U. Clear? Yes or no? OA is U minus U, and OA prime is V. OF2 is equal to, sorry, that is F focal length, and A prime F2. A prime F2, this length is equal to total length minus this one. Can I do? Total is V minus F. Yes or no? V positive, F also my positive. V minus F2. V minus F. Clear? Okay. Do the cross multiplication. Minus VU plus UF is equal to VF. Divide both sides by divided by UVF. So it will become 1 by F minus UF will cancel, plus 1 by V is equal to 1 by U. Clear? Take 1 by F this side. Here I'll write, may not be visible. 1 by V as usual, 1 by U take this side. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F minus, it was there, that side will go positive, 1 by F. That is the formula finally derived. Clear? This is for convex lens, the lens formula derivation.